Discover a new freedom with the Mediva electric wheelchair. Designed to go anywhere with you, the Mediva wheelchair is a lightweight, easy to assemble, foldable power wheelchair. This wheelchair comes with a battery charger, footrest, the backrest, seat and calf strap made from the finest fabric. To get your Mediva electric wheelchair started, unfold it first. Connect the joystick. Fix the footrest. Now plug in the battery. Attach the backrest, the seat and the calf strap. You're now ready to operate your electric wheelchair. The Mediva electric wheel frame comes with a robust, reinforced double-cross design to ensure extra durability and safety. The push handles come with a PVC grip. The 16 inches rear wheels are for ease of maneuverability on all kinds of surfaces. The solid rubber front wheels of 10 inches are created for excellent control and stability. Manual brakes with anti-skid braking system and anti-tip provision casters are provided for additional safety. They come with a wheel lock for total protection. The batteries are fixed firmly to the motors. The fabric used for the upholstery are fire retardant and antibacterial. The polymer footrest and handrest offer complete comfort. The Mediva electric wheelchair is provided with a back pocket to hold the tools and the manual. This ergonomically designed interchangeable joystick provides an effortless experience and ease of operation to make your everyday ride convenient. Fix the safety belt. Place your feet on the footrest. Start operating the joystick and you are ready to ride. With a maximum speed of 6 km per hour, Mediva electric wheelchair allows you unprecedented mobility. Its classic design enables a stable and smooth ride. The wheelchair is equipped with a feather touch 5-speed controller with 360 degrees turning capacity, offering great maneuverability. It allows an uphill up to 8 degrees inclination with an electromagnetic braking mechanism. Safe for tough terrains. Ideally designed for people with mobility issues, the Mediva electric wheelchair comes with 4 color options: blue, black, orange, red. If you are looking for long-lasting ease in movement, then the unique, feature-packed Mediva electric wheelchair is the right choice for you.